Hi guys, this is savory glazed smoked sausage. Watch this video and I'll show you how easy this is to make. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make savory glazed smoked sausage. Now you can use kielbasa if you like. I'm using smoked sausage or any type of favorite sausage that you like. This is an easy, delicious appetizer, main course, or party snack. You can serve it warm or hot, and it only takes less than 30 minutes. Let me tell you the ingredients. I have one package of smoked sausage. Like I said, you can use any kind of sausage you like. I have half a cup of brown sugar. I have a quarter of a cup of Dijon mustard. I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And I have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I think that's everything. And a half a cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to put everything together and get everything mixed up. You cut these into 1-inch cubes and you bake them for 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. It's a savory, sweet, smoky flavor since I'm using smoked sausage. And it's very versatile. You can serve this with a side dish or just as a snack over noodles or over rice. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer, channel for easy, quick meals for people who don't like to cook and don't want to cook. This is one of my favorite little snacks to have. I'm cooking these for my husband. And those of you who know, who've been here before, welcome back. I upload 2 videos a week and I always include an inspirational quote, tell a controversial joke. My oven is preheated to 375. I'm going to get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, I'm going to make the glaze first. This is a half a cup of light brown sugar. And this is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And this is one teaspoon of garlic powder. It is. This is a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then I'm also using 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And this is a quarter of a cup of Dijon mustard. It's all mixed in. And I'm making these, like I said, for my husband. He likes to watch the game on the weekends and have something really good to eat. I'm just mixing this together. I do have a whisk here also. And this, like I said, my oven's at 375, and this takes less than 30 minutes. The original recipe I found used kielbasa, but I had smoked sausage, plus I thought it would give it more of a smoky flavor. And like I said, you can put these over noodles, over rice, or just serve it as with some toothpicks. So see how easy that was to mix up? So okay, I'm going to get my move that out of the way. And then the smoked sausage. I'm just going to cut this into 1/2-inch pieces. And you want to turn these midway through cooking. So that's why I said 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. And the original recipe called for 1.5 pounds. This is only 14 ounces on the pack. So that's not even a pound because there's 16 ounces in a pound, if you guys didn't know that. So this is just enough for a quick little snack. You want to double this if you're having guests over. These will go really, really quick. I have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper, or you can take your baking sheet and lightly grease it, whichever is easiest for you. Now I'm taking the sausages, just tossing them in the sauce. You just want to make sure they're all evenly coated. delicious sauce. And right now it's basketball season, so for those of you who are entertaining, this is a quick appetizer to make. And as you see, there's plenty of sauce in here, so yeah, this recipe definitely calls for more meat. And smoked sausage is already cooked, so you can also warm up the sauce and use it as a side for dipping sauces, which is what I'll probably do. So I'll bring this over here, like this. I'm just going to use my fingers. You want to make sure these don't overlap. Put these on the page, the parchment paper. I love easy, quick meals, and I absolutely love appetizers. I'm one of those people that the more appetizers you have, the more I am in love with you. This is something different than barbecue sauce, which most people always use. I like to give you guys some different alternatives to cook. These two, just making sure they're spaced apart, not overlapping. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the oven at 375. I'm going to turn them midway through and cook them for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to take them out of the oven. Show you what they look like. Now I'm going to turn these over. Flip them one time. Oh, flip them and let them up 15 minutes. You want these to caramelize. Perfect, different snack other than barbecue sauce. If your family really like these, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment and share. I try and respond to each and every comment. I really love constructive criticism. One lady told me that I was using the wrong measuring cup. There's different cups for wet and dry ingredients, which I didn't know. You guys know. Didn't know me. Know I don't like to cook, don't have time to cook, but I just absolutely love food. So I put these all over. I'm gonna put them back in for another 15 minutes, take them out, get ready to show you guys my cook. Okay, there you have it, savory glazed smoked sausage. Like I said, you can use kielbasa, any kind of sausage you like. And there's the extra sauce that's left. You can warm that up and serve it on the side as a dipping sauce. Please give this recipe a try. I think your guests will love it. It is definitely a crowd pleaser for anyone that likes a really good, delicious snack. So let me tell you guys my joke. Today my boss said, "You are so talented. Why don't you work on my team?" I was flattered but annoyed. I replied, "I'm already on your team, boss." The boss said, "I know that, dumbass. I'm asking why don't you work?" I thought that was pretty cute. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please come back for the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share, as I said. And this dish is very versatile, and it can be served with a variety of side dishes, making it a crowd pleaser for any occasion. Thanks for watching, and like I said, hope to see you on the next one. God bless.